Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to see exercise 2.4 miscellaneous practice problems. First question, two gates are fitted at the entrance of a library. Listen, two gates are fitted at the entrance of a library. To open the gates easily, a wheel is fixed at a 6 feet distance from the wall to which the gate is fixed. If one of the gates is open to 90 degree, find the distance moved by the wheel. See the figure. Two gates are fitted. To open the gate easily, they fix the wheel at a distance 6 feet distance. Okay. If one of the gate is opened, it making 90 degrees. See the figure. I am roughly mark it. This is 6 feet distance. If one gate is open means it is formed 90 degree. So find the distance moved by the wheel. So they are asking this distance only. Okay. Now see the solution. So first question, solution given r is equal to 6 feet and theta also given, so 90 degree. So distance moved by the wheel is equal to r theta given means we have to select this one. So theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Now substitute the value in the formula. Theta 90 degree. So 90 degree by 360 degree into 2 into pi value we have to use 3.14 into R6. Okay. So 0, 0 get cancelled. 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So remaining 3.14 into 6. Again we can divide. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So remaining 3.14 into 3. Now multiple. 3 fours are 12. Balance 1. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 1 4. Put point here. 3 threes are 9. So 9.42 feet. This is the distance moved by the wheel. Second question. With his usual speed, if a person covers a circular track of radius 150 meter in 9 minutes, find the distance that he covers in 3 minutes. With his usual speed, if a person covers a circular track of radius 150 meter in 9 minutes, then find the distance he covers in 3 minutes. So, 150 meter circular track of radius la 9 minute அவர் cover பண்றானா find the distance he covers in 3 minutes. 3 minutes how many distance he will cover? This is the question. Now see the solution. Now second question solution is given circular track. So this is circular track. This radius is given 150 meter. A person covers a circular track in 9 minutes. Okay ma? So 9 minutes into the circular 9 minutes la one circular track cover பண்றாங்க. So we are going to take here perimeter. P is equal to 2 pi r. So P 2 into pi value we know that 3.14 r. This is r. We should take here 150. So now multiple 2 into 150, 300 into 3.14. So take this to 0, write in last digits. So now multiple 3 into 3.14, we know that 942. So keep the point here. So we get 942 meter. This is perimeter. Okay. He covers in 9 minutes. In 9 minutes, he covers 942 meter. But he is asking in 3 minutes. In 3 minutes is equal to, we should divide by 3. Okay. Now divide the value. 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9. 3 ones are 3. Remaining 1, now 12, 3 fours are 12. So we get 314 meter. Therefore, in 3 minutes, he covers 314 meter. This is the final answer for second question. Or we can write distance covered in 3 minutes. Distance covered in 3 minutes is equal to 314 meter. Now third question. Find the area of the house drawing given in the figure. So house is given. We are going to identify the area of the figure. Now see the solution. Third one solution. House is given there. So what do you observe from this figure? See, this is in combined shapes. Now listen. This is in square shape. This is rectangle. This is triangle. That is parallelogram. So we are going to identify each area of square. Each figure area. Okay. So first I am going to identify area of square. Formula A squared. Here side 6 is okay. So 6 squared equal to 36 centimeter squared. Next I am going to identify area of rectangle. Formula is L into B. L means length, B means breadth. Length 8 centimeter, breadth 6 only because 6 here also 6. In square all the sides are equal. So we should take here breadth as 6 centimeter. So now multiple 6 8s are 48. 48 centimeter squared. Next I am going to identify area of triangle. Half into base into height. So half into base, we know that is 6. Height they didn't give, so we need to identify the height value. Now listen. So this only height. Okay. So see, total height is given. Both figures total height is 10 is given. This area of a side 6 is, so remaining how much will come? 10 minus 6 4. So I am going to write here h is equal to 4 centimeter. So here write 4. Now cancel, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So final answer 12 centimeter squared. Next I am going to identify area of parallelogram. Parallelogram. Formula B into H. Base is given already. So base 8 is given there. So substitute here 8. And height they didn't mention, but we should take this height also here only. So here I am going to mention, so height 4 centimeter. So here write 4 centimeter. So now multiple 8 4s are 32 centimeter squared. They are asking the area of the house. Therefore total area is equal to, total area is equal to 36 plus 48 plus 12 plus 32. Now add all the value. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 8 12, 12 plus 6 18. Balance 1, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 1 12 centimeter square. This is the final answer for third question.